Welcome to Think Alive. We're Sharon and Andy, just two people with a dream and a vision of restoring our traditional stone-built farmhouse in southern Spain, transforming it into a beautiful off-grid home and sharing our journey with you. Welcome everyone to another How To Tuesday. Today, by special request, I'm going to show you how to make sangria. Sangria is a very traditional Spanish drink, I'm sure you all know. In fact though, it was brought to Spain by the Romans over 2,000 years ago when they made their way over the Iberian Peninsula. They planted vineyards along the way. The water at that point was not safe to drink, so they used to add alcohol, largely wine, to the water to kill the bacteria. These days there is no real hard and fast recipe, but basically it is red wine, the base of it, and brandy, orange juice, fruit of your choice. Today I'm going to use an orange and an apple, and brown sugar. However, neither Andy or myself like the brown sugar added, so I'm going to add just a little bit of lemonade. It just takes the edge off the brandy. So let's have a look how we do it. So I've got my little pop-up worktop that Andy made me. It's perfect for something like this because I can put all my ingredients out. Right, first of all the fruits. I'm going to cut the orange in half. It's quite a big one, so I won't need all of that. And just leave the rind on, slice it. And then again to quarters. Pop it into your jug. I'm making a litre today, by the way. I've got a litre jug here. There's only the two of us, and I'm off to the UK tomorrow, so otherwise Andy will have to drink it all, won't he? We can't have that. Okay, so that's the orange. I'm going to do the same with the apple. Leave the skin on. Cut it into cubes, obviously avoiding the core. We don't want the core in there. Put a bit more apple actually because it's not a very big one. That much again. Right, then we take our orange juice. I hope you can see that, move on to there. I'm just going to cover the fruit with the orange juice. That'll do. To that we add a glug of brandy, and as I say, it's to your own taste, so we quite like a decent amount. Should do it. Just to take the edge off the brandy, this is the point that you'd add your brown sugar, but I'm just going to put a little bit of lemonade. Ooh, fizzy. New bottle, always does that. Gives it a nice little bit of sparkle as well. And then our red wine. This is just our red wine from the local bodega, but we put it into bottles. It's easier to serve. Looks better on the table. And just top it up with the red wine. Et voila. Very simple, give it a stir. You can add ice if you've got a bigger jug. But I find it waters it down. I'd rather just put my ice in my glass and serve it and drink it that way. And literally, I'm just going to leave this now for a couple of hours to let all the flavours soak into the fruit, and it'll just be ready for us to have a little aperitif tonight when we've finished work. And that's it, folks. That's sangria. Not much to it, but I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on Thursday.